Hi, welcome to GetCalley.com. In this video, we will discuss how you can quickly set up a Calley PRO account. The setup process has two parts, the web panel and the mobile app. Let's begin with the web panel. Log in to the web panel located on https://app.getcalley.com using a valid email and password. To start using the Calley PRO plan, you need to set up your call feedbacks, aka dispositions, and upload a calling list. As you are on the dashboard, hover over Feedbacks and click on Manage Feedbacks on the top navigation bar. Feedback in Calley is the call dispositions, which an agent can select at the end of the call. In the Calley Autodialer app, call dispositions are categorized into four main categories: lead, connected, not connected, and not interested. You can create new dispositions or customize your existing dispositions by entering the heading, selecting the type, providing a description, and then clicking on Submit. Once the dispositions are created, the next step is to create the calling list. Calley PRO allows you to load leads using Power Import. Using the Power Import feature, you can load as many as 100,000 records at once for distribution into the calling list. To upload a calling list, hover over the call list and click on Power Import at the top navigation bar. Please ensure the file you upload is a valid CSV, XLS, or XLSX file. Provide a list name. Please ensure there are no special characters like commas or hyphens in the list name. Select the lead file you want to upload. Ensure it is a CSV, XLS, or an XLSX file. Once selected, click on Upload File button. As the file is uploaded, you are taken to a page where you can map the column heading in Excel with the desired fields in the Calley web panel. Calley will distribute the first 2,000 records instantly while the rest are distributed over the next 15 minutes. On this page, you can map the Excel column headings with the Calley fields. Unlike Calley Personal, which only allows you to map 3 fields, the Calley PRO subscription allows you to map 15 more fields from your uploaded file. 3 fields are mandatory for the mapping: name, phone, and notes. Map phone. Map notes. Once the mapping is done, you can click on Import Data. You get a success prompt confirming that the import process has started. As the data is imported successfully, you will be able to see the calling list created in the panel. This is the same list that will be available to you in the mobile app to make calls. You can click on the list name to see details of the leads imported. On this page, you can see all the leads imported into the calling list you just created. Calley PRO web panel setup is now done. You will now need to install the mobile app on your Android or iPhone to make your first call. Details of the calls you made will be updated automatically with the web panel, and you can see the reporting for the calls done on this page. You can download the mobile app to make your first call. The link to download the app is available from the web panel. Let's begin the setup process in the Calley mobile app. To start, you will need to download the app from Android Play Store or iOS App Store. Once downloaded, you can log into the app with the username and password that you used to create an account on the web panel. As you download the Calley Android app, once you log in, the app will prompt you for the required permissions to work correctly. Click on Proceed. As you come to the next step, this is where you need to allow the permissions. Please allow all permissions by clicking on the respective button. All permissions are mandatory for the Calley app to function on your Android phone. Permission 1: allow Calley to make and manage the phone calls. Permission 2: allow Calley to access your phone call logs. Permission 3: allow Calley to show a pop over other apps. It will take you to the settings section in your Android phone where you can allow popover permission for the Calley app. Once all the permissions are approved, click on Getting Started Now. Once the permissions are done, you are brought to the Getting Started page that tells about how you can set up Calley web panel. Click on Start Calling Now. As you are on the dashboard, and we believe you have already uploaded your calling list in the web panel, you can now start calling. Click on the blue button. Click on Continue. You can see the lists you have uploaded. Click on the list you want to auto-dial. As the list is loaded successfully on your Android phone, you can now start auto-dialing by clicking on Start Calling Now button. Calley offers you different calling modes to choose from when making calls from a mobile phone. You can choose standard mode to start with. For the call triggering, there is 5 seconds delay. Meantime, there are 3 options available. You can cancel the call by clicking on Cancel. You can skip this number from calling. There's the option to load another list also. After the 5-second call triggered to the respective phone number. As the call finishes, Calley offers you a prompt to update call dispositions, send SMS, send email, send WhatsApp, set numbers as DND, or schedule the call for the future. Click on the Next Call button to make next number. Now the next number is dialing. To stop making calls, click on Cancel. Now you can see the report of calls done, pending and scheduled calls.